Hi, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today, in the daily newspaper of Friday, February the 14th, 2020. 14th February. Is this not the Valentines Day? Yes, of course. We have two lovely Sudokus. A light Sudoku and a heavy Sudokus for the lovers. Alright, but we will start with the light Sudoku. So let's get started. Let's see, a 9 in the first column, a 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 9 should be here. Yes, in this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 9. I see here a 9. So no 9 in these two boxes. I see there a 9. So no 9 in these two boxes. One of the two boxes are left is for the 9. I do not know which one, but in this row we have a 9 here. In the middle row we have a 9 over there. So in this row the only 3 places for a 9 is here, here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. I see here 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. Then a 6 in this column, a 6 in the middle column. So in this column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, a 6 in the second row. So in the row above the first row, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then a 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in this row, the row below, the only 3 places for a 6 should be here, here or there. But I see here already a 6, no 6 there. I see there 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then let me see, the 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be there. This big square, one of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these two boxes. I see there 2, so no 2 in these two boxes. One box remains for the 2 should be this one. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be there. and all the tools are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then I saw the 9 here in this column, and 9 in the middle column. So in the column, the 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 9 should be there. The 9 in the last row, the 9 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for 9 is here or there. But I see here already a 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then a 3 in this column, a 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then yes. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. I see here 3, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here or could be there. One of these 2 boxes. I do not know which one. But in the second row, so the second row, one of these 2 boxes must be at 3. We have in the first row here 3. So in the third row, the only 2 places for 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 4 and 5, I see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 missing number of this big square. For the number 8, 1 missing number in this row. For the number 8, yes. 1 missing number of this big square. For the number 5, 2 missing numbers of this big square. For the numbers 4 and 7, we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be here. 2 missing numbers of this big square. For the numbers 5 and 8, we have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 missing number in the third row for the number 8. 1 missing number in the first column for the number 4, I believe, yes. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be here. Then 1 missing number in this column for the number 7. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the number 7 and 1. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and a 1 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row For the numbers 1 and 5, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 1 goes here. 2 missing numbers of this big square. For the numbers 3 and 7, 3 and 7, we have a 3 there. No 3 here, 3 should be here. The 7 goes there. 1 missing number in this column. For the number 3, I believe, yes. Then 1 missing number in this row for the number 3. 1 missing number in this row, the last row for the number 1. Then 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 must be there, and a 5 goes here. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and a 5 goes here. We finish this in 11 minutes for this Sudoku Light. Alright, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you want, or if you like, download a PDF file so you can make it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the Sudoku Heavy for the lovers. Thank you again, bye bye.